Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've done a couple of videos on bringing in insert characters, which is under Windows, Dockers, and text, and insert characters. And I've always taken them and held down my left mouse button, but it brings it in pretty small, and then you've got to size it. Well, there's one way, if we wanted to change this O, and I just did a video how you can get into your text mode by double clicking. We're going to take that and we're going to delete that O. The cursor is still on the O. All I have to do is double click on this happy face and it's going to replace that O with this happy face 0 or happy face anything. And you could do anything, you can bring in anything. So double click, get rid of that A, hit delete. Your cursor's right there. You could bring in this star by just double clicking it. So you could bring in any kind of character you want. This is Wingding, and it even shows you the last ones I've opened. Like I just recently did a snowflake. There's a lot of flags in here, but I've always just brought them in and then had to reshape them. But now you could, if you wanted to double click on your text, get rid of that star and double click on this flag, you could bring a flag into appropriate size to your text. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.